In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab beneficiaries. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your Schwab account to view who's listed, how allocations are set, and where to make updates when they're available. Start by signing into your Charles Schwab account either on the website or through the mobile app. Once you're in, head to the area labeled Profile or Service. The exact wording can vary a bit depending on the version you're using, but you're looking for your account settings. Within that section, scan for options titled Beneficiaries, Estate Planning, or Account Registration. These are the places where Schwab typically stores beneficiary information. When you open one of those sections, you should be able to see your current beneficiaries for eligible accounts, along with the percentage allocations assigned to each person or entity. This page is also where you can add or update beneficiaries if your account type supports changes online. If you do update anything, look for confirmations on screen to ensure your changes are saved. You may also see options for primary and contingent beneficiaries. Just follow the prompts and make sure allocations add up to 100%. There's another common path, especially for brokerage and retirement accounts. Open the account you want to review so you're looking at its details, then find Account Features. From there, choose Beneficiary Designations. This route takes you directly to the beneficiary settings for that specific account, which helps avoid confusion if you have multiple accounts. If you can't find beneficiary information online, don't worry. Some account types don't allow online changes and may require Schwab forms or the help of an advisor. In those cases, Schwab will guide you to the correct documentation or handle the update with you. If you still need assistance, reach out to Schwab's support team. They're available around the clock, and you can get to them from the official Contact Us page on the Schwab website. Let them know you're trying to view or update beneficiary designations, and they'll point you to the right place or provide the proper forms. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Review beneficiary information after major life events. Double-check that the right accounts are selected and confirm that allocations reflect your intentions. Not every account is eligible for beneficiaries online, so if something isn't showing, it likely needs manual support. With these steps, you'll have a clear path to finding and managing your Charles Schwab beneficiaries.